All right, YouTube, we made it. We got to the end. The show is done. I have made a couple changes since I recorded this video, but I think they're not like significant enough to try and like reshoot it. Basically, I changed the curtain to have the words instead of moving because it looks like they're having some issues. Just static, so it'll have 3 lines and it'll say when the show start. Other than that, this is the show. You know, enjoy.
Welcome to our 2024 DIY Holiday Extravaganza. We tried to go all out this year, although we still have big plans for next year. Our show will play every hour on the half hour between 5 p.m. and 10 p.m. Crank that heat and enjoy the show because it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Mary, did you know that you're on the reindeer who know that's the sound of the little coconut that's coquito.
Santa, tell me if he really cares. Neighbors might think.
Baby, it's bad out there.
Say.
This was entirely developed by the Gruley family. If you're interested in the setup or want to put something together yourself, check out our YouTube channel at Gurule.
Mr. Grinch. Yourself a merry little Christmas.
All done.
That's all for now, folks. Safe travels. Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night.
Switch it back to that one. Just because it's a little more relaxing, I guess. And that's the show. Thanks for watching.